This is about halfway through. It smells delicious. I cannot wait to try it. Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to give our channel a subscribe and our videos a like. Today we're going to be making a recipe called Mississippi chicken. These are the ingredients, and we're going to be making it in the small crock pot like the last video. We will be using some garlic, pepper seasoning, ranch seasoning, brown gravy, chicken of course. We are going to be making this recipe my way. So they use pepperoncini peppers, and we're going to be using diced jalapeno peppers, green peppers, some salt and pepper. So these are the ingredients, and we're just going to throw it in the crock pot. I will be showing you guys halfway through. We will shred it together, and I'll show you the plate after I plate it. So let's make it. First, we are going to start by putting our chicken down in the crock pot. Then we are going to put some of the ranch seasoning, sprinkle that on there. Sorry for the background noise. Then you are going to want to take your brown gravy and sprinkle that over top of the chicken. This is kind of like a pot roast. Then you will take your diced jalapenos, or if you want to use the pepperoncini, and this is how spicy you want it. So if you don't want it spicy, just use a little tiny bit. Then you are going to want to take and just pour a little bit of your juice down in there. Take your salt and pepper and sprinkle that over top. And then I am going to use some diced green peppers and just throw that on top. Take my garlic pepper seasoning and sprinkle a tiny little bit on top of that. To finish it off, you will want to put a small little slice of stick butter on top of your chicken. Place the lid on top, and we're ready to let it cook for 3 hours. I will see you guys halfway through. Depending on when you want it done, you will put it on high if you want it to cook in 3 hours. We're going to shred the chicken now. This is the finished product. I decided to go a little different and put toast, noodles, mashed potatoes, then the chicken, and some gravy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like and a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.